Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We have a JEP out of France, Jouet de Paris, which is made in Paris, or Toy of Paris airplane. We're going to wind it up. And the key is removable, in case you wondered. Original key. This is going to be on our auction coming up in January 13th. But look at that go. It's absolutely amazing. And these rudders in the back are all adjustable. And they have it with these brass pieces to unscrew the pontoons if you want to unscrew it. So, hope you enjoy the preview of this. And I'm going to do one more. We're also going to have this Lehmann Lila for sale. And this is original condition, where this naughty dog ends up getting beaten with the umbrella because they don't want some little doggy to be on their front of their vehicle. So I'm winding it gently to not chip the paint, but they end up getting the dog off. This hatch pops up as part of the action. This man turns the tiller, and it randomly goes right, left, right, left. So Lehmann 520. So have a great day. All of these will be on our auction. And this is our banner. This is going to be an Antique Toy World. So cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. Have a great day. Take care. Here's the JEP. And the robot's not too shabby. Got a great looking still here. And then a Fleishmann boat. And then finally we've got this gorgeous space toy of Sputnik with Bach. Pristine condition. And then here's our advertisement for the auction. And we are taking consignments. We're going to be here in Allentown, PA this particular week. And phone numbers are below for any potential consignments. Take care.